Happy Friday. I'm gonna go get my camera from my parents' store. So excited. And this is a weekend vlog. I forgot to say that. But yeah. I got my stuff. So excited. Also, look how pretty that sky is. I'm gonna open it now, guys. What are you doing? I'm gonna open it. Everything and everyone is testing me today, guys. Oh my gosh! Canon G7X Mark II. I'm excited. I'm gonna open it now. I'm gonna open it, guys. My hair's a mess right now, but I don't really give a shit. Actually, yeah, why not? Look at it! Guys, do you see this? I don't think it has battery though. Cheese with it. Okay, so that's the camera. I'm so excited, but it's not turning on because I think I have to like charge it or something. The battery charger. Oh, here's the strap. Oh, this is the battery, guys. I found the battery. So we're gonna put the battery in. What's... Look at it. Ew! Okay, well, look at it. It's pretty cool. I'm gonna turn it off because I have to put in my memory card. Sorry. And now we will unpackage. And you should put the strap on there too. Can you put that on there? A lot of time. What are you talking about? Here's the SD card I got. I got the SanDisk Extreme Pro. And looks like this. Very choco mess. Don't touch it so it doesn't get dusty. Okay. Where the fuck do you put this in? I'm not sure. Oh, now I could use it. Okay, here we go, folks. How do I record? I'm gonna film on this now. Hi, guys. Okay, I can turn this one off now. Look at you guys. Okay. This is crazy. Okay, well, the lighting's kind of bad in here, but I'm gonna finish unboxing. Why do I look so ugly today? I'm not sure. But I look horrendous. But this is the other thing that I got. I got the Uni. Oh my god, why isn't it focusing? The Uni SD card reader thingy. And then just a case to fit this in. And that is it. Now I could actually start filming random like random videos. Now I could film videos, guys. Video. Oh my god, the quality's so good. It's kind of crazy. Explain your identity. Who are you?
I'm Judy Moody.
Who are you?
Judy Moody.
No, you're not.
I'm Judy Moody.
You're not, because I said so. You call me Judy Moody. I do call her Judy Moody, actually, guys. Now we're gonna get off and wait. I want to take a picture. I'll show you guys my dog. Cause she's cute. She's my baby. Okay.
Put it up here.
It's still kind of weird to me. Pressing like the record button and stuff, but my face looks so lopsided on the camera. It looks so disgusting. But we're going on a walk with Rosie because she's been begging our asses to. Look how cute. Okay, my hair is low-key a mess, as you can see, but we are gonna go to h-mart. Thank you. Smell. What the f? Does it smell like that? What the f? We are now going
밀리언 다음에 뭐니?
to h-mart. It was so dark in the car.
아니야, 쟤는
But-
원 빌리언.
지금 넘어간 거야?
Talking about lottery stuff. Yo, if you know how good this is, you a G. You a G. Thank you. That's all I gotta say. My sister keeps harassing me that I should vlog. I don't want to do this. It's kind of weird. Ah, why is it so zoomed up on my face? Why is it not letting me zoom? How to work this, guys? Oh, my sister is looking at ice cream. It's kind of hard to do. Let's see. Ice cream. Look how good the ice cream look. Ew. She was in the frame. That's disgusting. She's so ugly. Oh my god. They have that Insta boba pack thingy down there. Do you see that? I don't want it though. How do people do this in public? I really don't understand. But look at all the snack. Oh, look at this almond. Look at this almond, guys. It's Starlight. Voila. It looks bad. Best flavor is this one, guys. Highly recommend this one. I need to go get my konjac jelly, but I don't know where it is. Watch out here. Watch out here. Hey guys, me and my sister are. Why isn't it not for me? Me and my sister are here to get konjac jelly. Is that right? Yeah. We found one, but she's not picking it up. I don't know why. I want this, so I'm gonna get this. Guys, Hannah's too awkward to vlog, so I took over.
그래, 너나 많이 해. 많이 하라고. 잘 찍고 있니?
Yes. Why is it not focusing? I'm just following as people were staring. They're literally like. So we found the konjac jelly, but there's an employee there. So we'll they're like restocking it. I feel like a YouTuber. Hey guys.
혼자서 몰래 진짜.
제일 이상해. Okay, my sister is tiny. So she got 바치락, 칼국수, and I'm leaving her because no one likes her.
Tell me.
What a loser! This is so uncomfortable to do. No. I literally can't walk. Why is it so hard to walk?
비빔밥 세일하는데?
이거 하나 더 사지.
비빔밥 세일하는데? 세일하는 뭐 10%?
Guys, stop talking Korean. Then I have to translate everything. Hey everyone. 꼴까 왜 떨고 있네. But guys, everyone, choose me. I am so nice.
이렇게 하면.
Actually, I am the nicest sibling anyone could ask for. If you didn't know. Yeah. These are all the konjac jelly. There's peach, mango, apple. We have this at home and no one even drinks it. Am I supposed to say that? Shall we look at the ice cream? Huh? No, I don't want to make one. Oh, so far. Family pack. Guys, everyone, my sister ditched me. Isn't this your vlog? Huh? Isn't this your vlog? I'll just name it Weekend Vlog featuring my sister. So cute. Oh, I know. Thank you, thank you.
Oh hell no, here you go.
Telling me things I already know. Here. What's chimo?
너 이거 샀지, 니네?
Yes. Damn, my mom walking in front of the camera. So rude. So rude if you ask me, guys. Is there any problem left? Did you eat
I
it
ate the last one.
I'm gonna get more. This is my favorite one. Best chestnuts. My favorite chestnuts. Also one of the cheapest that tastes so weird. My sister looks like that baby right there. Look at it, look at it. It's in focus.
Cute.
No, my sister looks like straight up Choco Boy. It's her picture here. Oh, guys, look how cute that is. Aw, so tiny. That's adorable.
Look at my picture.
Okay, please show us your fit. Yeah, show us. Show us your fit. Show us your fit. So, where's your mask from?
I don't know where my mask is from.
Where's this from?
This is from Hannah Yang.
What's that? It's still getting so close to me. Okay, show us.
Aritzia.
Okay.
Madewell. Vegas.
Basic white. You want me to hold it? Air Force. Lululemons. The Harvard. Okay, this Harvard. And then a puffer from Uniqlo. My mask. Wait, guys, is it Uniqlo or Uniqlo? It's Uniqlo. It's Uniqlo. Actually, I don't know. But yeah. Why should you? What? My mom says she wants to be in my vlog. Amma? Say hi. What the hell is she doing?
Appa?
My dad has no kanshim in my vlog. What we're doing? 100,000 likes to step on her shoes. It's me and my little sister.
What?
Guys, me and my little sister are going back in the h-mart.
No, isn't it focusing? Oh, it's focusing.
Stay strong. Be good. I don't even know what to say, guys. But why is it just focusing? I am going back to the car now. I don't even think this is in focus. Oh my god, it's like so windy. We're back in the car. Ah, I don't have a wind muffler for my camera. So.
빨리 한국에서 물건이 와요.
Bye. Oh yeah, we're back home. Yeah, we bought sundae, and yeah, and I'm gonna eat and change out of my clothes. Oh, I'm gonna eat and watch Busted. So yeah, that's it for Friday. Why isn't it not ending? Did I press the wrong button? Oh, I pressed the wrong button.